yakni benta Jong khubor la OneRaspP daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kasinantnis Higher Secondary School kala runglot habaro kishpotli jong kathup top shpo ha ka science stream like no tang ha ka kadan kabasan baladon lang kalaban Bangli Higher Secondary School bat Kasinantnis Higher Secondary School ubayo ya ka kadan beningkong ha ka science stream uday u kostop Chaudhuri jong Kasinantnis Higher Secondary School ha ka commerce stream Kasinantnis kala runglot ha ka top shpo like no tang ha ka kadan kabalai balarung da ka Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura bat ka kadan bahnriu balarung da ka Cleariat Higher Secondary School ya ka kadan ka bah nyau layo lang da Kasinantnis High Secondary School bat ka Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School.
Well, this year is another year of blessing, another year of discovery, another year of achievement, a year of amazement at what God has really done and blessed our school. Unfortunately, because of this lockdown and because of this unfamiliar situation that we are facing, we are very sad because we just cannot meet our students, neither our teachers, but yet we have congratulated them personally and wish them and thank them for the great contribution and through the good results they have brought in to the school. Every year, principal has been interviewed, as you all know that this time also been interviewed. And one of the few questions that mostly the interviewer would ask the principal, what makes your institution or your school or your staff, your students unbeatable? Unbeatable means cannot defeat, okay, in the performance of the exams. Well, I just personally feel that, as the saying goes, that there is no success without hard work. And definitely, basically, I think it is also a system of the institution that motivates our students, motivates the staff, motivates the parents. Above all, of course, without the hard work put in by the students, we will never attain and receive and get good results. I appreciate the perseverance, the patience, their interest in the coming to the school, coming to the class, doing the homeworks, and above all, especially, I do highly appreciate them. When they were writing the exams this year, there were a lot of already pressure from here and there, and gradually, even without ending the exams, this 2-3 last exams were postponed. We were afraid that they were pressurizing and their minds would, filled with fear that they would not be able to do, but yet they have done well, I felt, especially in the science stream. Practically, we have taken all the tops because we have completely made a clean sweep in the science stream. And in the commerce too, we have got 8 toppers from our school, and I feel personally that I should congratulate these students, and in a particular way, the teachers who accompanied them, the parents. Without their help, without their guide, without their accompanying men, they would not certainly succeed. So I wish to congratulate all of them, and I continue to pray that God may be with them and continue to guide them and lead them in the right path so that their future may be a bright one.
Ka result menta usnam ka long nyop po point arpsaw na kasispa kiba pass ha ka science stream but nyop point arpupra na kasispa ha ka commerce stream.
The pass percentage with the STEM, the science stream kada nyop po 8%, but the commerce stream kada nyop po 9%. The national athlete ki top ya ka list para athlete for science but commerce stream. Nga congratulate ya barok ki kena ki bala pass ba ngit scam baginda the bright future, but ki kena ki bom pass menta STEM group kem dai bantu jengkermen dai kin persang ni ban penbian ha ki STEM ki banwan nang ba kila ban pass ya ke bakil pendat de ai kublei ro ya barok ki pendian ki exams ki prepare ki serta prepare nang ta ya barok ki ba pendep ya ke dengan proses tu hado bagi dalam ban perbi ki ke result petangsi de ngit scam ba nang ni setman kumno kalong ngimtit ngai ba ngit scam ba ke barok ki nyai